So I'm going to be telling y'all how I have managed to lose 30 pounds and keep it off, while I also show y'all how to do this super cute braided hairstyle. So one of the biggest things that I had to come to terms with is that there's no such thing as a cheat day. I've shown y'all what I eat. I've had pizza, tacos, gone out on the weekend and got Mars with my friends. I feel like it's more important to have everything in moderation than to restrict myself and say, no, Driana, you can't have carbs, you can't have this, you can't have anything sweet, anything fun, no alcohol, because then I'm just going to get discouraged and I'm not going to want to keep doing this fitness journey if I can't have any of the things that I actually like to eat. I've also realized that it matters when you eat your biggest meal. So now I've started eating my biggest meal around lunchtime instead of dinner, because I like to weigh myself in the morning, not necessarily to see the number, but just to remind myself every day that I have a goal. And that has also helped keep me on track a lot, is like my own personal accountability. I also feel like one of the biggest contributing factors to my weight loss journey has been my workout split between weightlifting and running. Recently, I've started to prioritize running because I love the way that it's helping to lean out my legs. I feel like the muscles in my legs are a lot more defined. My cellulite on the back of my legs is starting to go away, but I still do incorporate weightlifting because I do want to be stronger and I do want to look stronger, and I know that weightlifting is a sustainable way to lose that weight and keep it off. Another thing that I feel like really helped me have sustainable weight loss is the fact that I didn't have a date by which I wanted to lose a specific amount of weight. I wasn't saying like, oh, in the next 3 months I need to lose 45 pounds because I'm going on this trip and like it's really important. No, for me it was just kind of like, I'm not really liking the way that my body looks and I really want to make a sustainable change, so whenever it happens, it happens. And the last thing that has just really kept me going throughout this entire weight loss journey of losing 30 pounds, which is still so crazy to say, is that I have a lot of accountability. So a lot of y'all are friends with me on Apple Watch and y'all will send me challenges, and just seeing other people work out through the day, seeing what workouts they've done throughout the day, how many calories they burn, helps me out a lot. But I can understand that some people can be really sensitive to that and it can make them feel worse and not better. So just kind of find somebody that you can use as your accountability partner. And if you want it to be me, it can be me. Literally send me a DM on Instagram and I will be your accountability partner every single day.